Need an ultimate portable power solution? Look no further than a battery box combo kit from Aussie Batteries and Solar. Simply plug in and play with a range of high quality, convenient and reliable power solutions. A combo kit with a heavy duty battery box and giant AGM deep cycle battery will give you protection, power and multi-functionality. The pre-wired box turns any deep cycle battery into an easy to use power station, giving you dependable 12-volt power. Ardent Battery Boxes suit a range of deep cycle battery types including AGM, Lithium, wet, gel and calcium, and feature multiple port types, 2 12-volt outlets with 10 amp fuses, 4 50 amp Anderson style outlets, a dual USB port, 175 amp Anderson style outlet, and a built-in digital display. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic, the battery boxes are easy to carry and install. By themselves, the boxes can handle batteries up to 330 millimeters long, and no matter what the application, they'll keep your essentials powered. Get a complete power setup with a battery box and 140 amp hour giant deep cycle battery combo kit. There's also the option to upgrade your battery box to include a 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, meaning you can plug in anywhere and still get the same type of power you get at home. This will turn your 12-volt battery into a 240-volt power source, allowing you to run and recharge your most sensitive devices. You can charge drones, cameras, laptops and more, giving you endless freedom and connection options. The entire Ardent range is built tough for Aussie operating conditions, and both models are designed to give you reliable power for any touring adventure. With the Ardent Battery Box range, all that's left for you to do is sit back, relax and enjoy reliable power anywhere, anytime.